sounds like it's raining, and it's just all the wings. It's amazing.
Again.
They're all really coming back into the trees now from that low spot. So they're starting to gather up for the night. Okay, well, one last video. We're heading out, and they're all starting to gather in because the temperature's starting to go down. Really, one of the most amazing experiences of my life. It's you really can't imagine what it's like to be around tens of thousands of butterflies. You can see it in books and see pictures of it, but being here is really special. I feel really lucky to be here at this place. All of them are starting to come into roost in some pretty thick clumps, and you can see just up here behind me, we've got one of the largest thick clumps of monarchs starting to come in, and more and more are coming up the valley here and congregating in these trees. So it's the end of the day, and we have to start heading back, unfortunately. So time to sign off.